Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Tax Master UE. Today we are going to learn what will be the VAT treatment on mining of cryptocurrencies in the UAE. So how UAE VAT law affect the mining of cryptocurrencies in the country. So I'm not going to explain the meaning of what cryptocurrency mining is and how it works and how it does not work. I'm here to cover the VAT treatment only. So to understand it clearly, we'll divide mining of cryptocurrency in two parts. One, mining of cryptocurrency on my personal account, and mining of cryptocurrency on the behalf of another person. That means providing mining services to any other person and in consideration receive some fees. So first, mining of cryptocurrency on my personal account. It means for myself only. So when I am mining cryptocurrency on my own, there is no consideration. I am not receiving any consideration here. So it does not meet the definition of taxable supply as per UAE VAT law. Therefore, it is not a taxable supply and it is out of scope from the purview of VAT. So no VAT will be applicable here. Similarly, when we are talking about recovery of input tax in case of mining of cryptocurrency on personal account, here again input tax is eligible to claim only for the taxable supply. We cannot claim any input on the behalf of in relation to supply which are out of scope or exempt. So here, since the supply is already out of scope of purview of VAT, we cannot claim any input in relation to mining of cryptocurrency for personal account. Now let's talk about mining of cryptocurrency on the behalf of another person. That means providing mining services to another person in exchange of certain consideration, maybe fees or some reward point or something, whatever. So when you are providing mining services to another person, this is here the definition of taxable supply, definition of supply as per UAE VAT law meets. So it will be regarded as supply. Here these transactions, this supply will be taxable supply and 5% and standard rate of VAT will be applicable. So two person, one receiver is also in UAE and provider is also in UAE. So here standard rate of 5%, the suppliers will charge 5% VAT to the receivers and provide the tax invoice to the customers. Suppose the receiver is out of UAE, so customer is out of UAE and the supplier is in UAE. In that case, when any UAE taxable person is providing mining services to any non-resident or out of UAE person, in that case, and other definition of export meets, in that case it will also be a zero rated. Now let's change the scenario. Suppose the supplier is out of UAE, okay, and the person receiving the mining services is in the UAE, and that recipient of the service who is in the UAE is already a VAT registered. In that case, that recipient shall account for VAT on reverse charge mechanism at the rate of 5%. It will be considered as import of the services, and 5% VAT will be charged on RCM, reverse charge mechanism. However, if the recipient is non-registered for VAT, they are not registered for VAT, in that case the person providing mining services to person in UAE who are not registered, in that case that non-resident person first need to get VAT registered and then charge 5% VAT on such supply if they are providing to non-registered person in the UAE. So here two things: when non-resident person means any, in case of import, we can say import of mining services. We have to decide whether the recipient in UAE is VAT registered or not. If VAT registered, then this person is VAT registered person is responsible to account for VAT at the rate of 5% on reverse charge mechanism. If this person is not a VAT registered, in that case the supplier here, the supplier who is in the another country, non-resident person, they need to first register in the UAE and then charge 5% VAT on a standard basis. So then in that case it will be normal standard rate. Now let's talk about recovery of input tax. So any person, since this is a taxable supply, any expenses or any VAT paid on behalf of mining of crypto on behalf of another person, they are eligible to recover the VAT input for the tax paid on the expenses in relation to mining. So person providing services to another person in exchange of consideration here may be eligible. Here maybe, why I am saying maybe, because in certain cases there are certain services or there are certain expenses in regards of which you cannot, your input VAT is blocked. So only for that transactions, only for that part of mining will be eligible, which are related to taxable supply. We have to determine how much part is of expenses is incurred for taxable supply and incurred for another part of any other supply, like exempt or out of scope supply. So only that part, only input tax incurred for taxable supply, in relation to taxable supply, will be eligible to recover VAT inputs. However, tax invoice should be retained and any other document which are required for claiming VAT input should be retained. Then only input tax can be claimed. So this is all about how UAE VAT applies to mining of cryptocurrencies. Thank you so much.